how to find events, activity, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find events, activity, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines and go down until you find settings, and here click notifications, and go down and you will find events, and here you will find the events, activity, settings. You can turn it off or turn it on if you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.